In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use MCP7 context in Claude Code for long context coding sessions. First, open Claude Code. You can use the command line with the Claude tool or launch the Claude sidebar inside VS Code if you prefer a graphical workflow. For long context sessions, make sure you're on a capable model such as Opus 4.5 or Sonnet 4. That ensures you get the multi-file memory and reasoning power we'll rely on. Next, check whether MCP is ready. In your terminal, run Claude MCP status. If it reports that version 7 is installed, you're good to go. If not, install or update it with Claude MCP install. Version 7. This guarantees you're using the context features introduced in version 7. Now set up a dedicated project folder. Create one with mkdir my long project, then cd into it. MCP works best when it's folder-based, so think in terms of one project per workspace. Keeping everything in a single organized directory helps Claude understand your code base as a whole. Initialize the Context 7 environment with Claude MCP init. Context 7. This configures multi-file reasoning, long memory scope to your project, and a persistent session that spans across files. In practice, that means Claude can track relationships, imports, and design decisions as you iterate. Load your files into MCP. To load everything in the folder, run Claude MCP load post. If you want to be selective, you can load specific paths like Claude MCP load backend/frontend. Start broad if you want full project awareness, or narrow if you're focusing on a feature. With Context 7 active, you can prompt Claude to understand all loaded files, generate a new React dashboard page, connect your API to backend routes, and keep previous files in memory while doing it. The experience feels like using a full IDE that remembers your entire codebase as you build. Enhance your workflow with rules and sub-agents. Add a rule such as Claude MCP rule add, name strict types. Prompt, always use TypeScript types, avoid any to enforce standards. Create a sub-agent like Claude MCP sub-agent create, name code review.